Today's plan is to install a 150-foot wire from over there to around the corner of this building behind me, single-handedly. Let me show you what I mean by that. In the spirit of doing this single-handedly, I've set up my cart right there. You can get that cart on Amazon. There's a link to it on my website. This way I can pull the wire from there to around the corner over there without needing a second person. So let's do that. It's gonna suck if the whole cart falls over. Just proves my whole point. And it did. That's okay. That just means I need to anchor that thing down. I'll do it with a shovel. Watch this. All right, we got the shovel anchoring it in. Let's go give this another tug. Let's watch and see what happens. Beautiful. Now, let's quickly pull this wire to the other side of the store. And then we can make our 3 connections to the 3 valves. The first one is right here.